omuna eboa na Ghana yenhyehyeye ya mamu ntoto ye ne se nkoyi a won utimi hu omom krata omde beba bonte no pages on betwero de abra aban no sa aban we a wo ye die moa quickly on this one mamintie ukakra ne wahui fa I mean the galamsey the guys issue we take in saying ewo hu
yo me da say bichia anyway tie for so
omunyina ajo so
okay galamsey no de eya homti o wo hwe a sane almost say assassin nsuo na ya yes ama ye ho yes obi na say o ya na yes say ama ye ho obi ho a wonti say responsible mining tete no start to say mining wo Ghana ha and na nkasese mom na nka technology akona ni ma nka obeka say ye betumi aye mining proper enye Ghana ngwa na ye mining no other places so mo ye na ye de che say enia ma ye essay nsuo ene asase omaka ema ye hu say ya nhwe ye a ebedu bebi no kra na de ebenum no che say ye kra if you baby by doctor for so account no ma ye hu baby a galamsey koso no meta sanko for you so emba na ewu o mo sisi ano no deformities eba inter scary o asem no ye hu nanso ase ye kan enkosi bibia I don't know what we can do now ya kan wasam sa sisi ano me hu de so na ebe ye no ne de na
asem democracy di mu kan ho asem ye hu press conferences but ase ye ntie esan say to me so nka say unemployment in T nkofon yet say there colleague ne kan na emom na say police for no I think say no matter what no I will say omudi echi esan say violence there enye kwan ya say ono be report no ho a me say ye ya one person already ntumi nchi omo ye ni bomo so ntumi nchi omo nti ba ko de no ho aba na opportunity say omutumi eso ni mu esan say na we pra so na nipa de emfa ho ne bone a nipa ye no nkwa life is important nti I thought say I don't know the situation and the police who are went to me and na answer ni no I'm not sure why but I think Zenka police for no should have been able to capture it nanka say hospital cry nanka ombeya and no so mutumi cry the omko hospital no omo na bibisa na obi gina ho to wi a nanka omo de naba na galamsey asem de yes pa say oman no nyina be hu say yentumi nka say employment 70 yen say nsuo no unya sika no wie na say when tumi anya nsuo wo sika na when tumi anto nsuo anoma obende na nsuo ni Ghana obende when nye aduane ndia obende obetumi efi Ghana ko bebi ana ye when ye mayani we can't go anywhere any baby
akọ in fact ko bebi ana hu say say ye wo kro ye wo mine ye in fact I'm on this no and that from ye sure say nim ko for mo ho make catch say ye wo ne be omadi kan wo mu de nanso ubefia na hu say now what like what to me who me say me the radio system abafie and that is what we have make us say the immediate shy no say yenya oman a beautiful country like Ghana nti any say yes say no and ye here politicians no enim say omo kan ho bi nti na yentumi nko baby a esan say omo nim ho bi yes na nam no omo mboa because the kakọ ne de ya homte esisi ano ye kakra na mitumi nka mi hu de menka esan say you have every means anka o say betumi dia stop and ye person ye yes so betumi aye I know the country I know the Ghana police I know if the politicians na enhyehyɛ ase and anka omo ka say ye ade we de be so ano a
ye ne military ni nke
betumi aye
okay
but I think say ye nam ho sa and why I was say to me meaning say omo ye bia o ma no matching crofobia ye hu say omo they are doing well but again approach if it's not working I guess also ye nyina back bi ani ehwe say what can we do about this let's look at the solution and involve the communities ye no omo nkasa esan so bi o man life na office no ne be man nya cocoa farms adana meka wo eyi say me mama ye cocoa farm me grandmother so cocoa me mama cocoa farm ba ko tisi a welusu Emma Galamsey. It's answer na Galamsey for na baby a omode ye. Into omojeje no se media me fa media man say unim ayi. Oba ono aye nefua copim time bi. And na do omo ye no so say omo nya we a na omo tutu ho say de be ya wo kwa unya kwan nko. Eho na de obeya ne say also de mom enso nka kokoo no afibia oni wo ho say ubenya bibi kakra it's I don't know why you feel say prekopa betimi ekotutu wo ne ase no na ye duane sem ne bibia ho I say and I don't know what we in the minim say the minim there be can be as say ye nimpa there say ye to me no e wa bansem and na ye individuals ne nanano kroman no o say nyina so me hu say communities ni bi wo ho growth man ni bi etumi agina say ye mpese ye Galamsey o ha anampa so omo jai Galamsey no say ye nye bio enti to me no gina communities no so I know I've given it to Aban say minim say Aban politicians no shasha say ntina ma yentumi enkoye nim no na mom no so mesre communities no say yembo ye homodin say ya na be take responsibility
right
esan say eba no critical sisia na say asembisi insuo aduane sem ni ade sisia ukọ communities na aduane boy den esan say it's cheaper aduane ye cheaper wo Kumasi ne nkan kwa say me call village me busu afọ no anyama sika no edana omoto no mentone sa we say adena nkedane mom eboye den ewo ho sen because first nanka wo feche obeya meko kaka kontomesi ya
sense as ni
untumi kra kontomempo emeze ndense menken Christ
chemicals eremu nyagro
and they say almost bebre ejuma farmers na ejuma esan se nka afibia so a utikaka nanka wakoton na wenye bi na wenye ya kakra nanka ye seasonal afibia busumi bia ne nka nema ekwafo no tumi dinya bibi kakra kokoo no wo ho de na so ma na body aba ebru aba menke aba kontomi aba sisi ano ye nya sho uto adempa na ushuro se efihimfa na eba enemboa esan se obi ewo bibia nanka wakoton bibi kakra nanka de atone na ma na enchen ya de ama economy no aye local economy nankasa no is very expensive at the local level and I think the communities must take charge nananom no emboa say omufom nancy form
right
and security agencies police network no mo ye ne de my farm and yourself no and say ho there are a lot of ways to do responsible mining
right
and ye nko to say the America and other countries so omutu good wo ho in fact omutu more than bim kwa to more than the ye wa hai inti abani sana ye de ye no bia obia sorry just no control bia sorry ba ko bia me hu ayi so minim say no credit room almost dan no
omutu ekosopa na no kra no mse kono ngo heye obi omutwa dan bi ba ya no mo shemu didi nti is close to us enyasem ketwa ma Vera ado na ye ne twetwe nkomo no programs officer Masi Didi Ghana na a constitutional review committee is established on February 2025
right
and almost submitted on a report December 2025 I mean it was with speed because within just a year we met me we dey akọ mo dey chira as CDD there na mo observe ensesan ye beba there because I said you know more can no say third term no dey almost omo ya anyi antum there are so many things within the reviewer eba bonten saying na normal see kwa normal be na wo mu a mo susu say esi ehunu
I say ye need DCE constitutional review no ye need DCE pa esanse ye sha say ye person ye share your constitution no ye sese mu kaka na check kaka
okay
na first time me present males start here omu ye bebre and other white people ba ye nya hwe present akufado so ehye bibia say na honorable oseche mesa na eda no say yenhwe say ye besesa ye constitution no eno so anko du bibia ena president Mahama aba eno no so to aso say opese ye hwe na yesesemu eche ma ye nyama mienu ana miensa eche say ye mpenifo ni nyina na ye nyina adwen kire yen set to say the kind no how many years ni from 1992 ye de kata na ye juma for some time na ya ye hu say as o mine ye hu say
because ɛsesan ba ɛsan se yɛhu gaps bebree ɛwɔ mu nti obia na efie bia mu ana ekuo bia na ɛwɔ ma wotu a wotuna hɔ a wo sɛ okay wo de yɛnhwɛ yɛasetena mu na yɛnhwɛ sɛ betumi ama sesan bi aba sɛ na ɛbɛboa amambuo no because amambuo no de wo sɛ ɛboa amanfo na ɛserve no ɛni sɛ ɛserve nipa kakraa bi nti all these times I try say be review constitution no nyinaa no the ebenya no your report yentumi and go beyond report no yeah nhwe say benya concrete decision bia out of it and if you say this one no you need the san say committee no exo start here omo je report ni nyinaa in fact President Akufo-Addo hand over the oye no edema President Mahama and a committee no eje almost go around regions ni bi nipa bebre ekasai o share reports na very comprehensive kata no dozo pa amanfo adwenkyerɛ wɔ niema bebre ho a mpɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ sɛ ebetumi asesa bibi ɛwɔ ho enti ya sa adwen sɛ ɔsɛ sesa constitution no de na ɛho behia sɛ yes sesa ni nyinaa niema ba ko mienu bi wɔ mu a ebetumi aboa yɛn asɔman si sesa na si yɛde sesa yɛ be ma ebetumi aboa ɔmo de report na ma President Mahama na emu no but we full report no Omo publish here. Recommendations no mo de buy full report na buy. Aha, nti I was say no so cry any DHA say report na say hu a full report no. Dey shame ankasa. I think say I don't think say a secret document. Nti I'm even surprised say up to now no. Yem publish here. Nti I was say I na ye near DHA say media no so ka omo tie pa na yem bi so omo say report no we him. In fact, we share enema ni bia omo aka na ehu hia yen se o man ye ni di echi esan se local governance we call local governance o mo recommend say development there e was say ye local development any say a year esro
ndezi bibia ifrin kan ba nkron ketwa ne ade nyina no ase wo muntimi mmoa wo ho sa
nti se obi be DCE ana MCE a je say president no ena choose no say we koye DCE wa ha koye MCE wa ha but constitution no suggest say and something we so enye two different no ye nyina no I think say ya kan wasem sa o man na kan wasem sa say e ka me amewo ayi bosomtwe me amewo secure me amewo me I say metumi to abama dey also di me so locally because development no e be local yeto eto ewo assembly omojeje tax nkakra nti adenti na me say ewo mu say dey oba be di yeso ewo ye district ni mu ana say municipal ni mu no locals ni hu to me bia
na say dey mampani betena so dey open no aboni din ko DCE
umpo in fact say no aya o mu yibi na assembly no approve then so wo hwe dey akoya de bia no approval no one way no sa na another person aba no so say okay me person nipa way ba then so if you say development there I will say ye local
right
amount for person to abama omo MMDCEs na ye to abama wa na che say who responsibility first to your local people sisi anu say president appoint wa wo first you say a president na appoint we to me use and answer bibia but say omo to abama odi a amount for to abama wa unim say wasudi wo nipa na omo to abama you have to account to the people first inti ehu behia say amanu benya say and omo san recommend say common fund na ekwa assembly yen tum kakra say currently is around 5% na ye fen ko 10
okay
10% na chese sikambra local no na assembly no so nyes kan fenye niam ketenkete niam bia na ya kasa ban national government and central government no there are things are local government no was car on betumi aye
I say ban be free in crime no abaye nyina
it's decentralization yen dissolve power no yen ma powers number local level that obia o local no bia betumi take responsibility and the share lands no so I think natural resources we share Ghana ye resources say ye ka galam say ni niam bebrebe ankofo ye other my big mining companies medium term no natural resources neba omutua royalties omutua taxes ne adeko central government ko consolidate ye wodia eco stool lands ne the assembly ho constitution is suggest say yemfa percentage emma locals no
you can develop locals no into say wo community bu na say company resources bi wo ho a community no or say omo be benefit
okay nti bia e be too gold wo ho e be too bauxite e be too japade bia wa asase ni mu no be too a as a community no
percentage I think it's about 10% or something they recommended it's and say wo hwe baby a mining company me baby a me won ye mines wo ho wo hwe uko baby a mining for ne ade wo bebre na wo hwe community na en hwe na obisa wo say inti ahapa na enya sika bebrewe edebo mining na employment youth no kra adwuma no kra omunye bi kra enye wo ho wo hwe inso sem wo hwe until recently me ho ewo western region until recently kwa na community ni ya health clinic na mines company no wo mo facility na community na nkasa de omunibi omo so say yesu yetua taxes ma aban yetua royalties ma aban intel say aban so yi scan bi no de ye imputujuma community ni mo inti na constitution no move beyond just koto aba we at the national level no to bring development at the local level instead of say you need echi say to me just an money to ma na ye baby a obi an ni say obetu kwa aba kuma say ansa na nka maybe osaka or district assembly when you should be able to have access and am pass say so bia ho ton won the district sa migration no way to kwa ha na way move people will be comfortable at
baby ya me kuma say me kon kran no
obi
abeka na kurase
obi abetina ho wo nsuo wo internet wo electricity people be comfortable okwan benya school no so teacher for wo ho mo che nkwa na de ne ho fa na hospital for first aid at least clinic health clinic kakra wo ho say ba no say kase mu a betumi move na akọ baby betumi stabilize into development should be at the local level and if you share separation of powers na nanka amembo de you share executive president parliamentarians and nanka judiciary na sisi ano your constitution say president appointing the ministers ni nyina majority of them from parliament constitutions na say ubeye MP na wa shembra na nka ministers no enso enye ministers esan say sa overlap no emma yentumi ncheke each other ye into imagine say we MP now sounds we minister of agric we minister of health we minister of education tambe na obenya na wasanso parliament jumedie no almost shembra almost sounds oversight responsibility into responsibility they say on be check the executive who are the ministers no into we do budget beba no man scrutinize the same person now we sounds so into who see then check wow ni asanso appointed MPs no normal serve on the board state enterprises or your board of Bank of Ghana or Cocoa board or Biko ECG wa so na wo say MPs na so na hwehwe om nkata mu omo audit omo year audit omo oversight omo budget saying we sika say na e de ma o de hina amba na committee not na say nti say ya anya sa separation na the overlap no yentumi nya imbalance yenti constitution ni shesen kayema MPs ni MPs nanka ministers no betumi appoint ministers no ma shembra na there another interesting one is the constitution say MPs no yen sure mo no mo share omo oman no we constituency bia no there should be a time parliament call recess omo bodwa no mo mfa embra bia bia nto omo anim say embra asese nyina nie say na ekoso updates like omo update constituency most of the time no who's the MPs no call constituency omo share party for omo share oman no in a way that omo ma update it's all about election you moving from idea say a campaign election or some to abama to bring development to the people into we share mine na compose you nka omo call recess obia share ne my no for report embra
okay nke beboa
now so when you say oh embra aba parliament ni madwen church say MP men to abanko say sisi anu ye ni say parliament decide in fact sometimes if we be certificate of agency that day na omo to me share omo approve embra no laws no
e ko bills share we chire ho omo share we chire ho wi afi
enti constitution review no asanso ahye say enyama bi wo ho a ni say e ko certificate of agency
okay
certificate of agency no na so we hu hia pa ye ne ntem
putupuru
wo ma ye ma bebre nti eni say ye de share certificate of agency na ɛkɔ
ti yenhwemu
ye ɛwɔ ma anka ɛba out anaka yɛ nyinaa kyerɛ yɛ adwen ɔma na kyerɛ na adwen bim kora tumi twerɛ memo na ɔmo de akɔ parliament ade na mo de ba no yɛ adwen kyerɛ nie yɛ research bi ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛ sɛ obetumi ayɛ ne sɛ nti yɛn no sɛn but ebi wɔ ma yɛbɛsɔre no in fact ɔmo tumi stay overnight yɛbɛsɔre na ɔmo pass egu mu saa na yɛ ni say bia which it doesn't help nti yɛ hu behia sɛ ebetumi ayɛ saa
yɛ no so wɔn sakyerɛ na
ɛbɛn mu another one no sɛ sisi ano na yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛyɛ abolish delegate system sɛ delegate system no sɛ parties ni bɛyi ɔmo
Frank Atuni ne mpanimfoɔ bɛdi party n'anim no.
Thank you.
Okay, ebusua me ne Maame Vera Abena Ado programs officer ma CDD Ghana wɔn mo ɛyɛ adwumaku anhya abayase ku anhya abayase a wɔn aboa so wɔn bɛhwɛ sɛ Ghana yɛ kaduma minka bi amamuo no betumi akɔnkan na amamra yɛ sesa no no amampani ka ho asɛm a nei report no akodi ne hɔ na mu enkyiremu kakra ne yɛgye no ma ewum ɛna ɔde ma yɛn kakra no tumi sɛ ɛyɛ very interesting enti ɛhɔ no no ɛno de na ɛwɔ hɔ because delegates no asɛm no ɛna wo hu si yɛtua sika ɛde man krofo we si me 3000 ama ntimi ntoma no we si me 2000 ama me ntoma no so ewum bi won sa kyerɛ ba
say yeah abolish delegate system na ya sisi anu say yeah politics no sika bem dodo sika bem too much
right
yes na there always can pe na etumi ya tumi no but any say amembo yeah just about sika
okay
I will say nipa ni tumi chia na adwen young person e bia we university who person anase who person udi woman so you don't need that much money say we say utua saska we ansa na wetua it's delegate no politicians no who say oh delegate near 500 me share 500 na a simple majority me tumi me man for be 300 we dey ma target be 200 me ya more but say yes every party member in good standing can vote. How can you
over 2 million party members and say mukura 1 million so more betwa
ubetumi
100 cities kra na just okọ wanim
na FA so esanso boa emma party for ni nyina kire madwen esan say wo mani pa 500 per ana 200 per decide de obeye MP e wo constituency ni mu meanwhile so we near onu so na ba bedi o man no so na nipa kakra bi no na ebe kire madwen tin kama party members ni nyina ntumi kire madwen say sa candidate we na ye pe sa ntini ye nja decision making no emma nipa kakra bi yes kakra it's easy to influence them. Sikano inducements kakrabo say ye hu bebre what TV so na say ayawa so is ye hu de call so nyama omo cheche ye hu ye me say omo mu tie nkwan bi mu agije omo de ahye omo say bi mu abefili entitled ye hu say politicians need to na yes also acknowledge say delegate no so demand in fact bi mu class one year one my sky and toma and 1 year nti abeye people have become entitled to say yes say you scam more but your politics no so any say money basa say by force as obi ntu eska emma wan sana wetumi akọ nti nyama no ya in fact back we say ya cap president no ministers na also on appoint no constitution review no say yan cap to 57 ministers per na che say
yeah ministers no
endorse sa esan say e ka na ebre o man no ministers no do so who say ministries ni agencies no so bebre wo ho a omo in fact omo wo yeka say technical people that chief directors ni mpenifo omo hwe so nti ministers no provide more of political direction leadership role our top no yes and here a lot of ministers to get the country running we share president Akufo-Addo appointed how many ministers over 120
I think 120 or 20
and president Mahama say obey 60 and we are okay it seems it means say let's cry betumi ayeye nti who be here say sisi ano de nhye no say obi any limit
okay
ubetumi appoint as many as you want and you can also find something for them. Yes, I will appoint you Makako. Ejuma de okasa will appoint you Juma Momaye, but on mine no ebre, Yesika Semne esan say, we share payroll near Dena, scan payroll no
allowances
near Deno echo into Emma or mine is stressed in that manner. I will say to me limited that money in politics. We share in society payroll no more diabana, a boy as on mine. Democracy no, yeah, because democracy no, share no doso. Kebi mami kebi no ho share no doso pa say e wo say ye ko ye nim nyina na ye tenten ye ma e betimi aboa. Nti wo say nyina ni di echi say ye tumi ya this time there. This is the third time ye pese say constitution. This time there was say ye boy ho modern say ye betimi anya ebenye bibia wo ye nya hwe kra no nyama ba ko mieni bi wo ma yetumi edi to dwa na ehu so ye koye nim asoman wo hwe nkura twitwa ye ho ahia bebre na omu ye ha nsakae kaka mebu no wo aban ni mu emba no wo hwe Ghana emba no don so se mema no so hwe parliament emba kakra bi esan se filing fee campaign no eye den edoso sika no mbetua no in fact MPP presidential way also to development fee for
over 4 million ni ade
also it ya limit sana ma we nyina so a it opens up obi opese o se obi o ma wo hu kwanya pa se metumi adi adwuma we make as even assembly election kra no sika no mutua no enso ani se ba no sa because o twist kana bisa hu se onya sa sika no we he why na sponsor no o twist kana we no nya tumi na oba sa bi sia na o makobo obepe kwan bi so nya ne sika in fact MP bi ka say MPs ni bebe de ka because omo be say na omo de be ye nti omo pe kwan bi na omo de omo so nya omo sika back and that doesn't help us as a country nti nyema wo ma it looks like sisi anu ye moving from just election to more development and development being at the local level. Yeah, your war communities ni mono. Man, I was say you feel say amambo democracy is affecting us. Democracy and yet just 4 years we are near koto aba. I was say to me de impuntuo
right. I think say ebre ko nanim ni ebe koswa say on even on phone ye didn't come on here said your progress net here. E say mo ahya se mu di dwuma bi dwuma di ebe na mo de be pia santemante mu ha no.
Who say say mechanic constitution is a third time I review.
Okay.
Enti ye ni abre in fact CSOs ne media ne other members feel say ye ni andi achira ye jaima politicians ne kwa anhwa no mo ayehwe o.
Omunim se be ha.
Omunim se be ha mo san say na wo ka say wo je powers ni be fi president ni say appointment powers mani appointed DCEs ni MCEs no o man na ka san ye voting wo je power wo je tumi no bi efi man peninsem wo ka say ma MPs no enye ministers mo serve on board wo je enye mo de nti say ye ni andi achire say apart from any sa ni biwa nyama bebre wo emu a ebeboa yen so nti ye ni di echi say yen CSO no ye pese ye take process na say esan say wo pese o constitution na nyama bebre na ye ebi wo ho ma ye say ye entrench ebi so ye na entrench ebi wo ma wo say ye koto aba referendum o say nyina kwani akoto aba say okay ade we ye pa na say ye mpe ebi wo ma say na constitution na hyehyɛ na ebi so wo a Parliament ankasa betumi ajatum ebi o ma presidents no ye de nema bi betumi aye asensan na yetumi akoye nim but ebi so o ma ebehia se ebekọ na ye initiative bill process ne wakaka nti ye sisi ano se ye CSOs ni media ne pese ye yesua de ye pese ye read recommendations no mo de aban etisen ehun hia ye kwan be so ne be fa so ye be bo aban esan se ba se ye nkoto aba referendum a ebehia se ye amani nyina beba se ye penema ya kakra yi ampoma bebo so
yi just about 20%.
Yes. Se pe san ye ma ya na se time so ne yankoto aba na still an ye nya de wo se ye nya no inti that is why ye call around ne hwe se ye nyina bebo with public education say constitution ne hye na ye ebebo ye on mine no power no you can say too much power in the president no power be brought me ba na assistant ne ma bebre we ni appoint we ni you we ye fi ho saa to me nyina no e wo say yi to me yi fi president in sem so that we don't give too much power to the president say nyina ye hu recommendations na ye ndi achi a na kwete sɛ dada na ewum enso emboa asoman or say yetumi kɔ yenim ɛwɔ yempuntuo mu anything na ye call round first of all ne pese ye educate ye ho constitution no review no report and the omode buy and a process no to say ye manage some of them can take a while ebi so ma ebetumi aba in term ebi so ma et say we ane asanso akɔ round say ne ye na amanfo no so ye nie de chi ne ebisa questions e ba say ye kɔto aba MPs na also moto aba wo parliament I will say yetumi any day ti say ye MP no ehefa na oto na ba akọ na nkoye ti say the open no ye ntina ama ye di segment nti ye call round ye CSO so mo WhatsApp national no edidi san komo we wi na move to the schools and all of that to start the campaign who say ye njama politicians nkwa but they also need support in terms of public education na mobilize your home. That's why yes sir.
All right. Thank you very much. Inti yanso ye be support mo. And ye hia se mo ye bia no na mo de to animo e betimi push ama mo na etumi aboa sense Ghana mamra de wo kan nyina politicians ne nya wo de. O mo nya ya nko ma block but ye be boa nso ama na bem.
Yeah. Media freedom no so important pa. E say e wo mbi.
Aha. Ni so share. E ye be ne nkakanka. Na wo mo e be kasa wo ye phone so na ye chirechim ni ekoyenim enti ma me very abena ado programs officer ma CDD Ghana ye da sia no paper na me nhyira e won cheche pa wo de amaye abusua me ba